If you want to download and install Windows 10 for free, this is the official method. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to get Windows 10 directly from Microsoft and install it on your PC safely. First, go to the Microsoft website to download the installation file. I've put the link in the video description, so you don't have to search around. When the page opens, look for the section that says Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Now click the Download Now button. This will download a small helper program called the Media Creation Tool. Once it finishes downloading, open the file and run it. You'll see some terms pop up. Just click Accept to continue. Next, choose the option that says Upgrade this PC now. Then click Next. If you want to install Windows 10 on another computer, you'll need a bootable USB drive. I've made a separate video for that, so you can check it out later. For now, let's continue. Your computer will start downloading Windows 10. It's a big file, about 5 gigabytes, so it might take some time. That's completely normal. You might see windows open and close by themselves. Don't worry, your computer is just working behind the scenes. Before installing, make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected so you don't lose your stuff. Even better, save your important files somewhere safe, like a USB drive or cloud storage, just in case. When you're ready, click Install. Now the real work starts. Your computer may restart several times. That's normal too. Just don't turn it off or unplug it while it's working. After everything finishes, your computer will turn on with a fresh copy of Windows 10, ready to use. Mission complete.